Another absolute stunning Range Rover Sport. Brand new model has just arrived on a 23 registration in the Santorini Black. This particular one is the D300 Dynamic SE with extras. 23 registration, like I said, with only 264 miles on. Still has the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty for 3 years and breakdown assist. But the biggest thing for me on this car is the colour combination, exterior and interior, but it's also got the 23-inch upgraded alloy wheels, which make all the difference because it looks like an autobiography from the outside. You've also got the black styling pack on it as well, which is the black badges, the grille, the inserts. What a beautiful looking car. Now the D300 is a 3-litre diesel engine with 300 brake horsepower. The drive absolutely superb. Such a nice quiet diesel engine. This is now running but you can hardly hear it. And when you're driving it, you don't feel a thing. Now being the new model, everything's a bit more slimline, a bit cute but still quite sort of rough and rugged and ready to go on road and off the road. You've got the slimline LED headlights with the adaptive LED headlights. You've then got the Dynamic SE bumpers, which is all upgraded, with the front splitter, and again, all finished in high gloss black. Front rear parking sensors, you've got the 3D 360 camera system, which starts off at the front, the side cameras and the rear camera. Adaptive cruise control with steering assist as well. So the adaptive cruise control is brilliant. If you don't know, it's cruise control, but it adapts it. So if the car in front it slows down, so will this one. And as the car in front speeds back up again, so will this. So it's pretty cool. But the steering assist means the car also drives itself to a level. It'll go on corners once you put it in the set mode. Like I said already, you have the 23-inch upgraded wheels, what you normally get on Autobiography or the first edition, and it looks absolutely tremendous. Red brake calipers just behind the Brembo, bonnet vents and side vents finished in black, sun protection glass, contrasting black roof, and the new design Range Rover Sports now come with the flush door handles. So whilst at the minute it's popped out ready for me to get in and out of it, when it's locked, it's nice and flush with the side of the car, and that looks really trendy as well. Now this one has a full ebony interior, but let's start off with the door card. You've got the lovely leather and this cloth material here, that dark chrome bezel that continues all the way down the side of the door card, also on the interior of the car. Electric seat, memory seat and heated seats, but then you have things like the Meridian sound system, the new version of the steering wheel, and this particular car has a tilt and sliding panoramic roof. The whole ebony look in this car is really nice. Nice because it's crisp, it's modern, it looks up to date because it is the most recent and new model. This 13.1-inch media screen is very easy to access, navigation, Bluetooth, media, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, front and rear heated windscreen, the dual zone climate control. You've got the different sort of programs there for the vehicle, so you've got comfort program, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, etc. Twin cup holders, 2 keys. If you slide this back, there's also a cubby hole down here with more USB and USB. Centre armrest to share is all leather wrapped with more cubby hole space, and both driver and passenger have that lovely armchair feel with the adjustable armrest there as well. You've then got the split dash, the button up there which is nice and flush for the bottom, and that's for the top with another 12-volt socket. Everything is in line and just beautiful, to be fair. In the back, it's a 5-seater vehicle, so you've got ISOFIX attachments, 3-point seat belts, rear heated seats. The electric seats in the back also do recline ever so slightly, and you have got fully fitted mat front and rear. But to give you an idea of how much space you've got, this is more than enough. Like I said, the seats are nice and reclined, but you can adjust it. But it's beautiful with a panoramic glass roof, with the lovely leather back seats there. It just feels good. If there's only going to be 2 passengers in the back, you've also got the centre armrest which comes down, which creates cup holders and more cubbyhole space underneath. It is, if you're in the market for a new Range Rover Sport, this is a 23 registration. Do your homework. You can't get this type of car. You have to wait months and months and months. Well, this one's physical. It's here. If you do like what you see, my name and number's on the screen. Give me a call, get it reserved and collect it, because it's not going to hang around. Now at the back of the car, you've got the new style LED lighting system with that lovely cluster which is tinted. The Range Rover finished in black, automatic tailgate. Press the button on the key or the button on the back of the lid there, it opens up. You've then got the 40-40-20 split seats. That means that you can have one side of the seat down and put lots of longer objects through there or items, and have 2 passengers sat in the middle, vice versa. Underneath here, you've got literally a cubbyhole space, and then foam kit just behind there as well. Parcel shelf which covers all your valuables, and then press that button again to close the boot. The car is literally brand new. There's no scratches, there's no dents. It's a stunning car. The colour combination is brilliant, and like I said, for the third and final time, them wheels do make all the difference. You've got blind spot assist there, electric windows and mirrors with electric folding mirrors, multifunctional steering wheel, there's adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, the limiter, lane assist, voice control, stereo controls and Bluetooth controls on the left hand side. Paddle shift, you've got the new 14-inch digital dash there with the maps showing, as you can see. Your 3D camera system is just here. In high definition, so you can see all parts of the car. No excuse to curb them beautiful wheels. And then with regards your navigation and everything else, like any Android Auto or Apple product, it's very easy to use. For me, this is perfect if you're in the market for an SUV. And like I say, it's sat very nice and high up, and you're on top of the world, really. Brand new car, literally. My name's Joe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.